Hello, my name is Keegan Early, and today I will be presenting my research. The title of my study is The Effect of Beliefs About Effort on Empathic Effort. I found that believing effort is costly or valuable does not affect willingness to volunteer. But why investigate the relationship between effort and volunteering? Previous research has shown that because of cognitive and emotional effort, people may avoid empathy. However, research has also shown that people can perceive effort as valuable, thus motivating them toward altruistic deeds. These studies indicate a potential inconsistency in the literature concerning the relationship between effort and helping others. The goal of the present study was to investigate how people's perceptions of effort as either costly or valuable affected their willingness to volunteer after they had completed a cognitively exhausting task. It was hypothesized that participants who were told effort is costly would indicate a significantly lower likelihood of volunteering compared to participants who were told effort is valuable. 65 undergraduate students participated in the study. The participants were randomly assigned to read a fictitious article stating that effort is costly or read a fictitious article stating that effort is valuable. This was done to manipulate participants' belief about effort. After reading the article, participants completed a series of online Stroop tests, which were used to induce cognitive exhaustion. Participants completed 5 2-minute Stroop tests with 30-second breaks between each test. Each Stroop test asked participants to press the letter on their computer keyboard that corresponded with the color of a word on their screen. Participants then completed a measure of cognitive exhaustion. The measure asked participants about how mentally taxing the Stroop test trials were. A sample item on this measure was, this task was mentally demanding. Next, participants completed a measure of empathic effort by reading a volunteer flyer discussing different opportunities on campus that were related to mental health and filling out a form. The volunteer opportunities were considered to be low effort, volunteering in general, medium effort, volunteering for an information booth, and high effort, running a mental health support group. For each volunteer opportunity, participants indicated their willingness to volunteer on the form. On the right side of the screen is the table containing the data for participants' willingness to volunteer. These ratings indicated their empathic effort. 2 of the columns represent the 2 levels of the effort variable. These are the effort is costly and the effort is valuable group. The rows represent each volunteer opportunity. The figure on the left graphically shows the results for participants' willingness to volunteer. The x-axis represents the type of volunteer work, and the y-axis represents the empathic effort scores. As you can see from the table, the right column showing the p-values indicates that there was no significant difference between the effort is costly and the effort is valuable group on each volunteer opportunity. Although not initially hypothesized, on the cognitive exhaustion measure, there was a significant difference in reported cognitive exhaustion, even though both groups completed the same task, with the effort is costly group reporting more cognitive exhaustion than the effort is valuable group. The effort is costly group reported an average score of 21.5, and the effort is valuable group reported an average score of 19.4. Overall, empathic effort was not affected by the participants reading that effort is costly or reading that effort is valuable. However, participants in the effort is costly group reported significantly more cognitive exhaustion on the cognitive exhaustion measure. In terms of future research, given the previously mentioned mixed evidence, more research is needed to investigate how effort beliefs affect empathy. Future research should also examine the possible link between effort beliefs and perceived cognitive exhaustion. Thank you.